Yeah, blocked.
All right, can you see my screen now?
Not at all. Not yet. Not yet.
You can't say it though.
Can you see it now?
No.
No. Just
Okay, just give it a while.
Yes, I can see it.
All right, very good. Goodness.
I can't see it yet. I can't see it yet.
Give it a while. Give it a while. Give it a while. Give it a while. You're going to see it.
Okay.
Yeah. I can see it now.
Can see it now.
All right.
I've not been able to see your screen yet.
All right, very good. Hope you can see my screen now.
I've not been able to see your screen yet. I can't do. I can see it. I guess Adebayo.
Oh, who is Opeyemi presenting? Please, one Opeyemi is presenting. Can you please just stop presenting? All right, can you guys see my screen now?
No, not yet. Not yet, yeah.
Just you are going to see it.
I can see your screen. I can see your screen.
Okay, very good. And please just mute your microphone, everyone. Mute your microphone. So today, we are going to install. I hope you guys have installed your XAMPP. I'm going to assume you guys have installed your XAMPP, and I'm going to walk you guys. I'm going to walk you guys through how you can install your WordPress. Please mute your microphone. Mute your microphone, guys. Please mute your microphone.
So I still can't see the screen you shared.
You can't see the screen yet?
Yeah.
Police my system is off already. There's no light yet. So I have to do screen record yet. So in case I need the video again.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm already recording the class.
Okay.
I just want to be sure I'm already presenting my screen. How many of you can see my screen? Just go to the chat line and tell me if you can see my screen. You don't need to unmute your microphone.
I can see your screen. Just tell those people that are not seeing your screen to unpin it at the top.
Oh, okay. Maybe some of you have pinned yourself. Just unpin whatever it is you pin to the top so that you can see my screen.
Okay, I can see it.
If you have pinned yourself or pinned anyone to the top, just unpin it so that you can see my screen. And you can just go ahead and pin me to the top. If you pin me to the top, you will see my screen. Do you understand? All right.
Yes, we can see that.
Okay, very good. Very good. So let's get right into today's business. So what you guys need to do right now, if you have installed your XAMPP, what I need you to do is to open your Windows Explorer. Alright, please mute your microphone. Open your Windows Explorer. Alright, hope you can see my screen. This is my Windows Explorer. This is my Windows Explorer.
Okay.
Alright, go to this computer and go to local disk. Alright, maybe some of you installed your XAMPP yesterday and suddenly you can't find where that XAMPP control panel is. Let me show you where it is. Go to your local disk. When you open your local disk, you are going to see this couple of folders, but you will see a new one called XAMPP. XAMPP right here. Open your XAMPP folder. When you open your XAMPP folder, you are going to see a couple of files here inside your XAMPP folder. Just scroll to the bottom. Scroll to the bottom. You will see a file called xampcontrol.exe. xampcontrol.exe. This is the one.
Okay.
This is the one. Just double click to launch it. Double click to launch it. And please, someone is saying, okay, just mute your microphone, please. Mute your microphone. Okay, very good. Very good. Now, so immediately after you launch it, you are going to have this control panel. This is your XAMPP control panel. All right? This is your XAMPP control panel. And it is here. You will have it here. Please mute your microphone. If you want to say anything, go to the chat line and write it in the chat. I will check it and I will call you to speak. All right. So what you need to do is to left click on it and then pin it to taskbar so that you can always have it here. Right? You can pin it to taskbar here. All right. So this is it, XAMPP control.exe. You have it here. Okay. Please make sure your microphone is muted. Please mute your microphone, guys. Mute your microphone. I'm still hearing some background noise. It is distracting for everyone. Please mute your microphone. Komolafe, please mute your microphone. Komolafe, please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. Adebayo Josh, please mute your microphone as well. Please mute your microphone. If you want to say anything, hello, Fayemi. Hello, Fayemi, please. I'm in a meeting. Just come over to the house. I'm in a meeting.
Okay, is she around now?
Yeah, she's around. She's around.
Okay.
Hello, I can't see.
Okay, hope you guys can see my screen. I'm sorry I received the call. I had to. Okay, very good. Please, sorry I received the call, so the network went off for a while now. Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me now, everyone? Is anyone there?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good.
Well,
Okay, very good. So I hope you guys are here. Then click start on Apache and click start on MySQL. Click start on Apache and click start on MySQL. Leave the rest. We don't need FileZilla, we don't need Mercury, we don't need Tomcat. All right. Just click start on Apache and click start on MySQL. And if both of them start, successfully, then you are good to go. If both of them start successfully, then you are good to go. Please mute your microphone. If your microphone is not muted, please mute it. All right. So from here you can go ahead and open your browser. Go ahead and open your browser. I'm going to be using, please make sure you are using Firefox or you are using Chrome. Make sure you are using Firefox or Chrome. Make sure you are using Firefox or Chrome. Don't use Internet Explorer. Don't use Microsoft Edge. You are going to have problems. Please use Internet Explorer. Use Firefox or Chrome. And please mute your microphone. All right. If you are the one making the noise, I'll just remove you from the call right now. Please mute your microphone. I'm not going to warn you again. All right. Okay, so goodness, Paul, you want me to rewind? I'm going to rewind. All right. Please, guys, mute your microphone. I don't want to hear the noise anymore. Very good. Now, if I hear your noise, I'll just remove you from the call. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So what I said is that what you need to do is to go to your computer, open your Windows. This is called Windows Explorer. Open this computer. When you get to Windows, this computer, open local disk, open the XAMPP folder. When you open the XAMPP folder, you are going to see, scroll to the bottom, you are going to see this file called XAMPP control.exe. Open it. When you double click on it and you open it, you are going to have this XAMPP control panel. I want you to click on start on Apache and click on start on MySQL. All right. If both of them start successfully, then you are good to go. Then what you need to do is to open your browser. Don't use Internet Explorer. Don't use don't use Opera Mini. Don't use Microsoft Edge. Use Firefox or Chrome. All right. Me, I'm using Firefox. So when you get to your Firefox, what you just need to do is to type local host. Just type local host alone. So when you type local host and you have this screen right here, then you know that your XAMPP is up and running. The XAMPP is up and running. If you have this screen right here, your XAMPP is up and running. Do you understand? So just go to the chat line and reply me, please. Don't unmute your microphone. How many of you are on this screen with me? Just go and type hi, H-I. Go and type I in the chat line if you are on this screen with me. Go ahead, I'm checking it right now. Okay, very good. Very good. Now,
I'm finding it difficult to connect my My video listening.
Your what? Again, I'm saying it, if you have any issue, just come to the chat line and type it there. I will check it and I will call you to speak. Do you understand? All right. So if you are having issues with your XAMPP and your XAMPP is not coming on, you're having some issues, just take a screenshot. If you are having any issue at all, take a screenshot and send it to the general group. Someone will help you. If I'm not online to help you, someone will help you. And trust me, when I come online, I will, I will help you. Do you understand? Please, please do that. So if you're on this screen with me right here, then you are good to go. You are good to go. So we want to, do you know the reason why we had to download XAMPP? The reason why we had to download XAMPP is that normally if you want to create a website, you're gonna need to buy a domain and then purchase a hosting, which can cost you up to let's say 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, depending on the kind of hosting service you are using. And I don't want us to spend that kind of money before we can be able to practice. And also, as newbie web designers, we're actually gonna have to practice and do a lot of practicing. Right, so Adebayo, I'm already recording it. I'm already recording the class, so don't worry, I'm already recording the class. You are going to have access to it. All right, I'm already recording the class. Okay, so when you open when you open the XAMPP folder, just scroll to the bottom of the page. You are going to see XAMPP control.exe. Do you understand? Or you can just search XAMPP control. You're going to see it. All right, very good. So let's continue. Now what you need to do if you are already on this page. Okay, I was explaining the reason why we had to install XAMPP. So before you can be able to create a website, you're gonna need to purchase a domain and you're gonna need to purchase hosting and other stuff. But I don't want us to do that. I actually want us to be able to practice on our own laptop without having to purchase a domain. So, and that is why we had to install XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server. They call it a local server. Do you understand? Remember the lecture we had yesterday about servers, right? We can use XAMPP to create a local server on our system, so that our own laptop will now be performing the function of a server. It will be hosting our website. So which means you can host as much website as possible on your own laptop. You can practice offline. And the beautiful thing about XAMPP is that you don't need the internet, right? It can work offline. So you don't need to waste your data. You don't need to waste your resources. You can just go ahead and practice. All right, so if you follow my step-by-step instructions here, we're going to get on the same page. So if you are here already, what I need you to do is to go back to your folder, go back to your XAMPP folder, in local disk, in your disk computer. This is disk computer. Open your disk computer, go to XAMPP, and then you are here. Right, what you need to do is to open this folder that is called Htdocs. You're going to see a lot of folder here, but there's a particular folder here called Htdocs. Just open it. So when you open it, your own will probably be dry right now. There will be nothing there. Do you understand? There will be nothing there. So I have these folders there because I've created a couple of them. I've created a couple of websites. So what I need you guys to do is to create. Okay, before you create a new folder, go to where you downloaded your WordPress file. This is my own WordPress file. That zip WordPress file that you downloaded. That zip WordPress file here. Just go there, and then I want you to copy it. I want you to copy that zip WordPress file. Copy that zip WordPress file and come and paste it inside your XAMPP folder. Come and paste it inside your XAMPP folder. Paste it inside Htdocs. This is Htdocs. Just paste it inside Htdocs here. Please mute your microphone. Who is that? Jacob, please mute your microphone. And okay, I think we are good to go. So paste it inside your XAMPP folder. All right, after you have it inside your XAMPP folder, this is it inside my XAMPP folder. I want you to right click on it, and then extract it here. Extract to WordPress 5.53 here, extract to WordPress 5.53. This is what you need to do. Extract to WordPress 5.53. Just click on extract. All right, so the extraction process is already going on. It's already extracting. The extraction process is already going on, right? It's already extracting. Okay, so Saint Bliss, what's going on? Saint Bliss, unmute your microphone and talk to me. What's going on? Why are you not following? All right, so you can just type your problem. Whatever problem you are facing, just type it here. I will come and check it later. So let's continue. As I was saying, so you already have it extracted here. You are going to see the folder. Again, as I have said, this place will be empty for you. You probably only have this dashboard folder here. So as I was saying, okay, so as I was saying, we are gonna have to, okay, so your own folder here will be empty. So what you need to do is, I want you to create a new folder. Whatever the name you want to call your website, mybusiness.com, whatever.com, cake.com, whatever it is you want to call your business. What is the name of what is the name you want to give to your website? I want you to create a folder. Just create a new folder. Do you understand? Create a new folder. Right click on an empty area, and then go to new and create a new folder. Create a new folder and name that folder whatever it is you want to name your website. For me, let's say I want to name it management. I want to create a management website, or I want to create a law firm website, or whatever, but I'm going to name it management. Let me name it management. You understand? I'm just naming it management. You can name it anything you like. If your own website is fashion store, or maybe probably your own website is Crescent Moon or whatever, just name it anything you like, and then just create that folder. Immediately after you've created that folder, I want you to open that folder and see the folder should be empty. All right, go out and then go to your WordPress 5.53. That WordPress 5.53 that you just extracted. Just open it. You are going to see another folder inside that folder called WordPress. Open that one too, and then I want you to highlight everything here. Control A, press Control A to highlight everything and copy it. Press Control C to copy it. All right, highlight everything here. Press Control C to copy it, and then I want you to come back to your Htdocs folder and come and paste it inside your folder. That new folder you just created. Just open it and then paste everything. Paste everything inside that folder. Do you understand? Hope you guys get that. Paste everything inside that folder. Are you guys with me? How many of you are with me? If you are with me, just come to the chat line and tell me you are with me. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Maybe Opayemi, Oluwatosin. Maybe you guys you did not follow us from the beginning or something, but let's continue. So this is what is going to happen. Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. So this is what is going to happen. After I'm done with the first phase of today's lecture, I'm going to do a quick recap. So that maybe you can follow. But then I'm recording this class. I'm going to release the video to you guys on the group, so that you can go over it and then practice on your own. I'm going to release it later, but just try as much as possible to follow. Okay, very good. All right, let's continue. Okay, someone is lost. No problem. We are going to find you. We are going to find you. Just calm down. The video will be made available to you. All right. So this thing is still extracting. It is still extracting. But let me show you something. Let me show you what you can actually do with this. Let me show you a couple of websites that I've created with the method I'm going to show you here. Let me show you a couple of them. Let me show you some of them. Localhost slash corporate cleaners. Let me show you a couple of them. Localhost slash what else? I think let's say commerce. Let me just open a couple of them. Check this out. Check out this website, guys. Can you see this? Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this? How would you like to be able to create something like this? I actually created this for a laundry and dry cleaning service. That laundry and dry cleaning service is based in Port Harcourt. Actually, it is based in Port Harcourt. So I created this for them, and they will pay you very well. They will pay you very well to do this kind of stuff for them, and you can actually do this with WordPress. So how would you like to learn how to do this? By the end of this class, I think you are going to be able to do something like this. How many of you are excited about this? If you are excited about being able to do something like this, just come to the chat line and tell me you're excited. All right, that is what will keep giving me ginger to continue. Can you guys hear me? Are you guys here with me? Okay, very good, very good, very good. This is nice. How many of you are with me, please? How many of you can still hear me?
I can see you, but I can see you.
Okay.
I can still hear you. I'm with you.
Okay, very good. This is nice. Very good.
I'm following you.
All right. All right. So
I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, very good. That is nice. Okay, very good.
Sorry, Big Sam. I just have a question.
Okay.
Please, this where you asked us to copy those stuff in WordPress.
Yeah.
Am I to paste it in that folder for the folder where I change the new folder I created?
Yeah, you have to paste it in the new folder you created. The new folder you created. Just paste all those files inside that folder. Now,
I've done that.
So mute your microphone, guys. Let me show you something very obvious, but you might not have seen it. You will see that all these things that are here now, this localhost, when you type localhost, see this XAMPP folder. When you type localhost in your browser, localhost is pointing directly to this Htdocs folder. Localhost is pointing directly to this Htdocs folder, right? And when you do slash whatever website you are going, see, let me show you something. When you type localhost will take you here. Localhost slash dashboard. Dashboard is a folder inside Htdocs, which means any website you are going to create in this life must live inside Htdocs. If it lives outside Htdocs, it's not going to work. It has to live inside of Htdocs, all right? So you can see that I have a couple of them here. I have a couple of them here inside Htdocs. It has to be inside Htdocs, guys. So check this out. Check this out. Let me show you. I did localhost slash hotel manager. I created this for an hotel. I created this for an hotel in Port Harcourt as well. I was in Port Harcourt before, actually. I just relocated back to Ibadan. I had my NYSC in Port Harcourt, so most of the clients I have for the past a year now, most of them are Port Harcourt based. All right, so I created this for an hotel in Port Harcourt. It is called Millennium Hotel, and also, okay, this one is still loading. This one is an e-commerce website. Okay, it's still loading. It will soon finish loading, actually. So Also, I think let me show you this one too. Localhost/delivery. Okay, very good. Let me show you this one too. Okay, this one too is loaded. Okay, this is an e-commerce website. Alright, this is still loading actually. Alright, this is an e-commerce website, and all this is being done with WordPress. Right, all this is being done with WordPress. Okay, so let's continue. So when you do what you need to do right now, in order to, if it has finished pasting, what you need to do right now is to do localhost/ that your website name, that your folder name. Just do localhost/ that your folder name. Folder name. My own folder name is management. Localhost/ management. Forward your. Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone, please. Okay, very good. Let's continue. All right. So just do localhost/ that your new website name. Just do that, and it is still loading. It might take a while to load. You just leave it. If it is loading for the first time, it will take a while to load. Don't worry. Just let it do its thing and let it load. All right. Let it do its thing and let it load. Let me just show you some of the things that I've done. I did this actually with with WordPress. And you have the shop page. You can see the shop page, and have Millennium Hotel. You can see the book now. If you click on book now, you are going to get to the book now page and all that stuff. All right. So just don't worry, it might take a while for it to load up. Just leave it, let it do its thing. But trust me, after it has finished loading, you are going to have this page right here in front of you. So if you have this page right here in front of you, just select English. Please make sure you select English, because you want to select English. Select English and continue. How many of you are still with me here? How many of you are with me?
We brought out the database name, username, password, and like that. But
yeah. We are still going there. That's the next place we are going.
Okay, mine did not show me those that language. He just asked me welcome to WordPress before.
Yeah. Okay. You are going to be in this phase right here.
Oh yes, this page, yes.
Yes, very good.
Yes, I'm also good. Sorry, I didn't get to extract the WordPress file.
You did not extract the WordPress file?
I did, but where am I to move the folder to?
You are not moving the folder. I asked you to copy everything inside that WordPress file, and then copy and paste it inside your the folder, the new folder you just created. Just paste it inside of it. All right.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, very good. So what you need to do,
please, sir, the new folder we created. Where did we create the new folder in?
In Htdocs.
Okay, Htdocs is in which folder?
Oh my God! Did you just join? Local disk.
No, I was local disk. Okay, I was following you anyway.
Okay, from local disk, enter local disk, and then enter XAMPP, and then Htdocs, and then create a new folder, and then copy the content of your extracted WordPress file inside that folder, that new folder you just created. This is the new folder I just created. I just copied everything. So if you are here right now, what you need to do is to click on let's go. See, we need these following things to be able to, we need all these guys to be able to connect to our database name, database username, database password, database host. Just click on let's go. Right, so we have a very long way to go. We still have a very long way to go. Just click on let's go. So when you click on let's go, it's going to do its thing. All right, when you click on let's go, it's still loading. I don't know why it is getting very slow like this. All right, how many of you are on the next page? I don't know, mine is still loading.
On the next page, it brought out database name, username.
Exactly. So if you are on the next page, what I need you to do is to open a new tab. Okay, if you're already on this page right here, open a new tab and then type localhost/php my admin. Localhost/php my admin. Let me copy it and send it to you guys so that you can see very well. Just do this. Localhost/php my admin. All right. Do localhost/php my admin. Okay, this is great. So when you do that, you should be just click on enter. Oh my god, I did not click on enter. And then that will load. It might take a while to load, don't worry, just let it do its thing. It's going to load up. And after loading up, you are going to get the reason why we
voila.
Okay, the reason why, please mute your microphone, Michael. Now, the reason why we had to do that is because we want to connect our WordPress to a database. Database is kind of like, okay, let me see. The simplest term I can use for it is some sort of memory where you can save data. You understand? Your website is going to contain a lot of, let's say pictures and all those stuff. So database is kind of like a memory. So we need to connect the database with the website we want to create right now. So we need a database name. We need a database. We need a username. We need a password, and we need a database host. So that is what we are about to get in this PHP My Admin now. So when you get to this PHP My Admin, probably your own sidebar will actually be empty because you are doing it for the first time. What you need to do is to click on new right here. I need you to click on new. All right, just click on new. When you click on new, just name your database anything. You can name your database anything, but I will advise that always name your database what is related to the website you are currently creating, because when you want to create any website, you are going to have to create a new database for it. You can see corporate cleaners. This is the website corporate cleaners. I have a database for corporate cleaners here. I have another one for Cupid hats. I have another one for delivery. See this delivery. This is the delivery website here. Do you understand? Can you see it has a video background? Can you guys see the video background? It's so cool. It has a video background, and then you have it here. You have it here. You have this nice animation and all this kind of thing. Oh, you can see this is me. This is me right here. This is me right here. I just put my picture to just do a demo of and then you have a simple contact form that people can just do all that stuff. So it's a one-pager website. When you click on services, it will scroll to the services part. When you click on about us, scroll to the about us. If you click on work with us, it will scroll to the form and other stuff, and you can see this animated text and other stuff. So it's some real cool. All right, so this is the database for it. So which means for every website you create, you need to create a new database for it. So imagine for this one-pager website, actually this one-pager website, I got 55k for this one actually. So it's not actually too hard, and it is just one page. So what the heck, I got 55k for this one. I just collected it like that. All right, so which is cool, which is not bad. It's just a one-pager website. Okay, so this is an e-commerce website. This is the store. This is the store, home, and other stuff. But then that's not what I want to show you. I actually want to. Okay, this is what we are doing. So create a new. So I'm just going to call my database. I'm going to call this manage. I'm going to call it management. All right. Let me just call it management. That is the name I've named my database. So copy that name. Just click on create. So after you click on create, database database has already been created successfully. Now come here to your WordPress your setup page, and your database name is now what? Is now management. Do you understand? Management. Put it there. So let's go back to our local host. Don't worry about table. You are still under management. You are still under this management. Click on privileges. All right, there are two ways actually you can do. There are two ways you can do this. Most of the time I don't like it when you use your root access, but it doesn't matter actually. Just come over here, and in this username place, in this username place, just write root, R-O-O-T, R-O-O-T, write root, and this password, remove password, make it empty, and click on submit. I actually don't like using, error connecting with the database. I don't know. You guys should try that if it works for you. If it does not work for you, let me see if it works for you. Root access should work.
It did.
Root works for you.
Mine is saying error establishing a database connection.
Okay, so if yours is saying error, whatever database connection, this is what you should do.
This is part of the solution.
Okay. If yours worked, if it does not give you error, then you are good to go. Don't worry, just wait for us. If yours does not work, just come to privileges.
Mine is telling me to run the installation.
Yeah, just wait. Yours worked, right? Just don't worry, just wait for us. So you can come over here.
Okay, it has worked.
Click privileges. Please mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. Alright, so click privileges. Then after you've clicked privileges, you are going to see probably yours will be, yours will probably be empty. What I need you to do is to go down and click on add new user account. Click on add new user account. Click on add new user account. After you click on add new user account,
where can I see?
Sorry?
Where can I see the privileges? I'm very interrupting.
Okay, so what you need to do, this is the thing. You are already in your database. See, this is management, the new database you create. Double click on it. You are going to get here. On the top bar here, see my mouse, on the top bar here, you're going to see privileges. Privileges here. See privileges. Click on privileges. When you go to privileges, scroll down, and you're going to see add new user. Click on add new user. And name your username, give it any name, but always name it something you will remember and something that is related to the website you are creating. I will just name it
Out of banking.
Yes. Yes.
For those that have seen the run installation, we don't have to go to privileges. Right?
Yeah, don't go to privileges. Don't worry. Just wait for us. Yours has already worked. Just wait for us. All right. So this manage. When you already get to this manage, just type manage. No, just give any username you like. Just give any username you like, and then host name. Change host name to local. Change host name to local, please. Host name. Change it to local. And then password, just set a password for yourself. Set a password. I will set a password that I can remember. I will use my last name. My last name is Olalekon, so I will use my last name. My middle name is Olalekon. I'm going to use my middle name. Retype your password. Alright. And then after I've done that, then come over here. Global privileges. Just check all. This is very important. If you forget to check this, it's not going to work. You're going to be having issues. Make sure you check all here. And after you've done that, go ahead and just go. Click on go here. And after you click on go, yours is going to work. But mine is having some issues. Do you understand? Mine is having some issues. I've been having these issues for a while now. I don't know why, but yours will work out. Do you understand? Yours will work out. Maybe I just need to upgrade my example or something. I don't know. All right. So yours will work out. Then after yours, if yours is already working, all right. If yours is already working, what you need to do is to come back here and put username, whatever it is you called your username. My own username was manage. Put it here. What was your password? My password was Olalekon. All right, and then your database host is localhost. Click on submit. I'm still going to get an okay, it's actually worked for me. So you should have, all right, Sparky, you have made it through the first part of installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. I hope this is where you guys is. It's telling you to run the installation now. All right, if you have successfully gotten here, guys, I hope you've successfully gotten here. How many of you have successfully gotten here? Come to the chat line and tell me. All right, come to the chat line and tell me if you've gotten there. All right, come to the chat line and tell me that you've gotten there. Come to the chat line and tell me that you have gotten there. Okay, very good. So what you need to do now, guys, here is what I need you to do. After this class, a lot of people are going to have issues. A lot of people are not following. Do you understand? You guys that you are following, I want you to go back to the group and help other people. It's very important. I'm helping you guys now. I need you to help other people. Go back to the group and help other people that are not, that are not getting it right now. All right. So the next thing we have to do is to just click on run the installation. Just click on run the installation, and then after you clicked on run the installation, you should have this page that is telling you welcome to the 5MOs, whatever, and your site title. What do you want to call your site title? Just call it anything you like. Of course, we can always change this later if you like. Call it anything you like. Call it management, and username. Call username anything you like. What do we want to call username here? Sef? Call it anything you like. What do you want to call it? Call it let's say okay, I'm just going to call it my own name. I'm going to call it my own name. I'm going to call it my own name. And your password, set any password you like. Alright, set any password you like. Now this username and password is different from the one we set inside localhost though. It's different. This is the one that you are going to use to actually sign in into your administrative dashboard. So make sure you always remember this, and confirm the use of weak password if you are using a weak password. And then your email. Hello. Alpha, now good evening. What's up, babe? Yeah, Joshi Mulikpepada. I'm actually in a meeting now, one of those Nova University classes. I'll be done in the next 30 minutes. I'll call you. Yeah, are you still feeling sick? Oh my god. Okay, I'll call you. I'll call you in the next 30 minutes. Yeah.
I think his network went off.
All right. Sorry about that. I received the call. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah, welcome back.
I received the call, so the network went off a little bit. Okay, let's continue. Now, just set your username and then put your email. So this is where we are. Just put your email. Just put your email and okay. Don't tick this. Discourage search engines from indexing this site. Don't tick this, alright? And just go ahead and install WordPress. Do you understand? Just go ahead and install WordPress. Just click on install WordPress. Make sure you remember your username and your password. That is what you're going to use to log in. Alright, just click on install WordPress. And then WordPress is already installing. It's already installing. Just let it install, let it do its thing, and very soon you will be good to go.
It has installed.
It has installed. Your own is very fast though. Okay, mine has installed too. Success. So just
it's showing success.
Yeah, very good.
Yes,
very good. You should be here.
Thank you.
Congratulations. So what you need to do?
Mine has installed.
Okay, what you need to do is to click on login. Click on login and let us log in into our administrative dashboard. And go ahead and put in your username. My own username was Samuel. You can use your username or your email, the email you registered with, and then put your password. Put your password. If you wanted to remember you, click on remember me and click on login. Right. So when you click on login, then you should get to your administrative dashboard here. Yes, so if you successfully get here, congratulations, this is the first phase. Clap for yourself, be happy, jump around.
Wow.
Very good. So let me tell you something. If you want to come back here, if you ever want to come back here, let's say you get out of this page now and you ever want to come back here, this is what you need to type. You need to type localhost / your website, your folder name / WP admin. Let me type it for you guys now. All right, let me type it for you guys now. Here is it then. All right, this is what you need to. Is Goodness Paul, are you still on this call? Is Goodness Paul still on this call? Goodness Paul Iwe Namen, are you still on this call? All right, let's continue. Okay, very good. Let's continue. So if you've gotten here, be happy. Let's see how our website looks right now. Just see this part that says management, this home part. Just click on visit site. If you click on visit site, this is how your website looks right now. This is how it looks. Yeah, I know it's not looking too fine right now, but trust me, when we are done with this baby, you're not going to recognize it anymore. You understand? So this is how it looks right now. This is how it looks. This is how your website looks right now. Just go over here and click on management. Go over here, over management again, and go to dashboard. Get back to dashboard to see this is your dashboard. This is your administrative dashboard. Okay, so let me show you how you can actually create a page. Come to pages. This pages here. Pages. Come to pages. So these are the default pages that we have. But then let's delete everything that is here. Let's start with a blank slate. I want us to start with a blank slate. Just click on trash. Right? Then after you've done that, I want you to come to settings. Come to settings. All right, click on settings. All right, so you're going to get to general settings. You are under general settings right now. All right, so don't change anything here. Actually, you can only just change your site title and your site tagline. You can change your site tagline to this is a management website or whatever it is you want to put your tagline.
Please, sorry. After I delete everything I see on the page, there's probably nothing. I'll just title. What else do I do?
I want you to just leave that place and come to settings.
Please, how do I delete the page?
Click on trash. When you get to the page, when you get to pages, any pages you see there, you're going to see some couple of pages there. Just click on trash, over them, and click on trash. Right? Then after you are done, come to settings. Click on settings. You are going to get to general settings. Then you can change your tagline here. You can change your tagline to whatever you want. You can change this to whatever you want as well, but I don't want to change it. You can change your email address or something, and just come over here. You can set your time zone. Instead of having UTC plus 0, ours is UTC plus 1. Set your time zone to UTC plus 1. Our own is UTC plus 1. We are running UTC plus 1. Change it to UTC plus 1 and save changes. Alright, save changes. Then after you're done saving changes, I want you to come over to writing. This is general setting. Come to writing. When you are here in writing, you're going to see a couple of things. I don't think we need anything here.
Sorry, what do I put in that tagline?
Put anything you want. Put anything you like. You understand? There are some companies. There are some companies that they have catchphrases. How about what?
The membership. Should I take?
Leave it alone. Don't take any membership. Leave it alone. Leave membership alone.
Oh.
After you
the only thing I'm just in there tagline.
Yeah, if you want to change your tagline, go ahead and click on save changes. Always save changes, and come over here to reading. Come over here to reading, and it's going to show you this. All right. We actually don't need this. And now go to permalinks. Skip the rest. Come to permalinks. Permalinks right here. Click on permalinks. Right. When you get to permalinks, I want you to choose post name. select post name here. All right, your URL structure. Select post name. Then after you've selected post name, just save changes. All right, very good. After you've selected post name, just go ahead and save changes. Then after you've saved changes, I think we are almost good to go. So let's go and create our very first pages. Cool. Go back to pages. Go back to pages right here. All right. When you are here in pages, you can click on add new. Just click on add new. This is how you create pages. Let me just show you how you create pages. Click on add new. We are stopping this class by 8:30. Please remember. Please, immediately it is almost 8:30. Someone should just tell me so that we can stop this class. Just let's call it home. Let's create our home page first. Just call it home. After you called it home, just click on publish. Click on publish and publish your page. All right, click on publish your page. And after you've published your page, then we can go.
Excuse.
All right.
Mine is telling me a Victor error, an unexpected error of code.
And what?
That's under the new.
Under what?
Under a new add new page.
Okay.
The page you clicked out and then saying that the editor has encountered an unexpected error.
Oh, the editor has encountered an unexpected error.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just send me a screenshot. Send it to my WhatsApp. But I know how you can fix that. I know how you can fix that. Just go to. You need to install a plugin to fix it. Actually, come to plugin. Okay, let me just show you how you can fix that real quick.
Okay, sir.
Go to plugin.
Yes,
once you get to plugin, click on add new.
Not for step for here. Where they move fast.
Just click on add new and install Classic Editor. You are going to see the very first one here. Classic Editor. All right, you will see a Classic Editor here. Classic Editor. Or you can just come here. Or you can just come. Sorry, please mute your microphone. Who is that? Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone, guys. Mute your microphone. Okay, very good. All right, nice one. So just click on here and search Classic Editor. If you don't see it here, search Classic Editor, and you can just go ahead and install. Just click on install. All right, just click on install. Okay, you see Classic Editor is here. Just click on install. Then after you install, right, it's still installing. Give it a while to install. Give it a while to install. And click on activate. All right, click on activate. All right, after you've clicked on activate, then you shouldn't have that error again. In fact, you will see if I go back to my add new page, you will see that it has changed. So this is how it's going to be. This is the editor you are using right now. You shouldn't have that issue anymore. Click on add new and then add the add your new add your page. So after you've done that, what I need you to do is to click on management. Just click on management and go to visit your site. This is how your website looks like right now.
Okay, sorry, sir. Under the plugin, my Classic Editor.
Yes.
Under the plugin, my Classic Editor didn't show. It's still telling me an unexpected error code.
What?
That something is wrong. I can't find any Classic Editor.
Okay, when you go to plugin, it is still telling you that an unexpected error occur.
Yes, when I searched for the Classic Editor, it didn't show up any.
Oh, is your laptop connected to the internet?
No, it's not connected.
Yeah, before you can install any plugin, your laptop has to be connected to the internet because it has to download those plugins from the internet. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
All right.
So connect your laptop to the internet, and and do that.
You can continue with the class.
Of course, we are continuing with the class because the time is almost gone. All right. So from here, what we need to do, if you're already here, before we get here, let me tell you guys about themes. come to dashboard, you can see that our website is looking ugly now. But the reason why I love WordPress is that a lot of people, a lot of good people, amazing people, they've already created beautiful themes for us that we can use, that we can just install the theme, and then our website will look stunningly beautiful. So what I need you to do is to come to appearance and go to themes, appearance, themes, appearance, themes, appearance, themes, go to themes, and then when you get to themes, this is the one you have installed before. Do you understand? You can see these are the default themes that came with your website, and this is the one that is currently active. It is called 2020. Do you understand? It's called 2020. So if you click on, let's activate this 2017 and see this 2017, just click on activate. If you activate 2017, you see 2017 is now activated, and if you visit your website right now, you will see how it looks. Can you see? This is how your website looks right now. Can you see that themes affect the way your website looks? When you change the theme you currently have installed, the way your website looks changes as well. All right. So when you come to management, let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard and go back to appearance and go back to themes. All right. So this is the theme that we have installed, but then we can also add new themes. Just click on add new. When you click on add new, you are going to see a sea of themes. These are the most popular themes that are around, pre-made themes that people have already created it already. You understand? People have already created these themes already, so you can just install them and your website will look, it will change the way your website looks. It will change your website structure. All right, see this one now. This one is good for if you have a newspaper website. This one looks good for a blog. This one looks good for an e-commerce website, you know, easy store and all that stuff. But the one we are going to be using here, but some of them are not free. Some of them are not free. But the one we are going to be using, it is free, and for me it is one of the best, and this is the one that I use all the time. It is called Ocean WP. In fact, let me just show you. We have literally we have hundreds of them. In fact, which 100? We have thousands of them, a lot of them. You know, you cannot finish watching it. It's too much. All right, you guys can just come and then just see the number of ones we have. We have a lot of them, like a lot of them. We have a lot of them.
Sorry, what did you call them again? Ocean what?
What? Okay, the one we are going to use is called Ocean WP. All right, I will tell you how to install it. So what you need to do is to come to this search bar here, type Ocean WP here. Type Ocean WP here, and then this is Ocean WP. To me, it is the best. It is free, and I love it so much. And you have to install this one if you want to follow my step-by-step tutorial. You have to install this one. So after you've installed this one, just click on install here, and it will be installing. Just wait for it to install. Wait for it to install. All right, wait for it to install. Let me see. All right, just wait for it to install. So it's still installing. Let's just wait for it to install, to finish installation. Oh god, don't worry, it might take a while because it's still, when you want to install plugins or you want to install themes, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet, because it will download those stuff from the internet. If it's not connected to the internet, it won't download. And my laptop is almost dead. I'm low, my battery is low. 18 minutes. Okay, I think we have about how many minutes for this class to end right now? We have about 10 minutes for this class to end.
We have to end 11 minutes.
We have 11 minutes phone, so I can still make it. My laptop can still make it.
11 minutes.
So we should go ahead and activate. Right?
Just go ahead and activate, please. Just go ahead and activate. Just go ahead and activate. Alright. Then after you've activated this, you are going to still see a new notice here. Do you understand? See a new notice here. See this right here. See this notice right here. You should see it now. You should see this notice here. Please mute your microphone. You should see this notice right here. See this notice right here. This team recommends the following plugin. If you see this notice right here, so what you need to do is to click on begin installing plugin. Click on begin installing plugin, and then you can just go ahead and click on install under Ocean Extra. It is important for you to have Ocean Extra installed. Just install Ocean Extra. Alright? Just install Ocean Extra. Just wait for it for a little while, and then it will install. Wait for it for a little while, and then it will install. Alright, it's still unpacking, and it should install very soon. Alright, let's just give it a while. And again, your laptop has to be connected to the internet so that it will download these things. When this thing is still installing, let me give you a tour through this Millennium Hotel, whatever. So you know that the last time I clicked on bookings, so which means you can literally just actually click on you can book. Let's say you want to book this hotel. You are checking in on the let's say on the 20, and then you are checking out on the 24, and then you have 1 room, 2 adults, and check availability. When you check availability, and I did this with WordPress. Hope you guys know, no coding, no coding at all. All right, so it's going to check availability. This is actually a web application, so they will pay you much more, like a lot of money for this kind of thing. I charge 250k for this website right here. This one you are looking at 250k. It's an hotel, so they paid. All right. Okay, let me see if this thing is done. I don't want to. Okay, yeah, that's success. Ocean Extra has successfully installed. It has successfully been installed and it has been activated. All right, this one is still good. I don't have time. All right. Okay, very good. So what we need to do right now, since we've changed our theme, you will see that the thing the way our website looks would have changed. If you go back to your website now.
Sorry for distracting you. Mine is saying update failed for the team.
You have to try it again. That's network issues. It does that sometimes. Just reload the page and just to reinstall. Click on install again. It will install. Do you understand? It happens like that sometimes. All right. So guys, you are going to have this page. You're going to have this page right here. Do you understand? This is how your website looks right now. It looks boring right now, but then trust me. Let me just show you. In the next, we have 8 minutes left. So let me show you the next step. So go back to your dashboard. All right. Okay. So this one is done loading. Don't mind it. The reason why it's like this is because it's been a while since I checked this on localhost. So you can actually select any room you like. And after you select any room you like, it will ask you to go to your room selection. Then when you go to room selection, and then it will ask you to put in your name, put in your email. All right, and then put in your address, put in your last name, and put in your phone number, an additional note or whatever, and then click on book now. So if you click on book now, it should successfully book you. You understand? It has already calculated the amount you are going to pay. This is 31,500 and whatever So that's 1,500, depending on the rate the hotel set for themselves. And then you can actually even make payment online. Alright, so you'll be redirected to the payment page, and then you can, put your payment details. You can put your payment details. You can put your email.
The question.
Sorry.
As regard that part where you had to calculate the total amount, are we the one? Let's assume we are building a website like that. Yeah. Will we be the one to do that, or normally there's a function or something that just automatically does that?
Yeah, there's a function that automatically does that. All you have to do is to set your own price per night. All right, I'm charging so amount per night. After you charge so amount per night, it will automatically calculate based on the number of nights the person is spending. Do you understand? Okay. Depending on the type of room. Let's say this type of room is this so amount, and it will automatically calculate. So actually, this particular website is for it's not for beginners. Beginners might not be able to create this kind of thing. You can see that it's some high level shit. Do you understand? So, but you start from somewhere, all right? So let's say you click on success, and it's a test payment. Actually, payment successful. It will redirect you to a thank you page and all that stuff. Why am I even showing you this? Let's go back to our lecture, please. So from here, I just like to show you what you can do actually. So this is a payment success. This is your payment success page. I just want to get you excited about this. This is your payment success page, and need any help if you want to contact the front desk. Let's say you are done booking your room, and then you just want the hotel to know that you are already done. You need something or whatever the hell. You can just click this and then tell them to come and see you, or you can just click on this front desk whatever, and then it will automatically reroute you to their WhatsApp page, and then you can talk to them. Do you understand? If you continue to chat and and you open link, all right, it's actually going to open your WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, you can see, and this is my WhatsApp. It will send WhatsApp message directly. Right, it will send my WhatsApp message directly, and then you can it will send it to the receptionist, and the receptionist will contact you and all that stuff. It's some very, very, very cool stuff. Very, very cool stuff. Also this one too, you guys know how e-commerce websites like Jumia and so on and so forth works now. All right, so that's something like this, and I've shown you this delivery website. This delivery website is so sleek. It has a video background. It's very very some cool stuff. And let's continue. So let me just show you. If you are here right now, oh, my battery is running low. Okay, we have 3 minutes more. I think we should just stop here and continue from here tomorrow. What do you guys think? Let's continue from here tomorrow.
Let's continue from here tomorrow, please.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys, take care of yourself. I'm going to edit this video, compress it, and then upload it on YouTube and share the link with you guys so that you can.
All right.
So what I want. What I want you guys to do is that before tomorrow, make sure we are on the same page. If you are lost, make sure we are on the same page. All right. Goodness, Paul, I feel your. I feel your pain. But then don't worry, just try as much as possible to to follow the video and enjoy. So you guys should take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Have a good night. God bless you. Bye bye. Please, can you do me a favor?
Yeah, thank you. Good night.
I would want you guys before you go, everyone. I would like you guys to do me a favor. All right, we are going to end this class. We're probably going to end this class tomorrow. I would like you guys to make a video testimonial saying how much you have gained from this class. It's just going to be a selfie video, less than 30 seconds or 1 minute. Just say how much you've gained from this class and how much this class has impacted you. But that's going to be after this, after we are done. All right. I hope that is not too much to ask from you guys. Bye bye guys. Bye.